Hey folks, Cody here, and today we're going to be talking about preventative maintenance and the importance that it plays in the performance, reliability, safety, and operating efficiency of your equipment. Now, while it may be obvious to some, it isn't to everybody, so we wanted to take some time and talk about a few key points that you should be looking out for, as well as the regular intervals that you should be doing the maintenance on. Maintenance can generally be broken down into four intervals. You have your weekly maintenance, your quarterly maintenance, your semi-annual maintenance, and then also your annual maintenance. Today we're going to be spending some time and talking about the first two, the weekly maintenance and then the quarterly maintenance. Um, just as a quick reminder, all the stuff that we will talk about is also available on the operations and maintenance manuals. You can find them for every single unit type on our website at agronomiciq.com. So again, if there's anything you missed or want to go back on, please refer to the operations and maintenance manuals, which you can find on our website. As a weekly sort of preventative maintenance, something you want to get in the habit of, or at least look into, is the grow sentry. This is our umbilical cord back to the factory, and most importantly, it enables you to log in at any moment of any day and see exactly how your unit is operating and what it's doing. You can run your trend graphs, you can verify set points, you can basically do anything remotely without you being in front of the unit, which is extremely beneficial to you. Next point you see there is verifying the set points. As you go through your grow cycles, the conditions are very likely to change from week 2 versus week 6. So you certainly want to spend a couple moments verifying that the set points are exactly where they need to be to ensure the best possible yield for your master grower or operations manager. On a weekly basis, you want to observe and listen to your equipment. Generally can be accomplished with a quick little walkthrough. You're just visually looking at the equipment, making sure everything is operating as it visually should, and then also listening. Some things you can tell, unusual noises, little rattles and stuff like that. We want to report that back to the support department so we can get rid of it before it becomes an actual problem. On a quarterly interval, your air filters, and probably one of the most important things to think about when performing maintenance. We're moving lots of air through those things, and generally they can get clogged up very quickly. So you want to make sure that you're changing them at a minimum at the end of every single grow cycle to make sure that you got the best possible airflow throughout the space. Clogged filters, they have a negative impact on other components within your unit, essentially making them work a little harder. And again, the airflow is drastically reduced when we got clogged up filters. So again, I hope you find these points helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.